Hey y'all! Today we're making a cozy comfort food classic with a spicy twist. Buffalo Ranch chicken and dumplings in the Crockpot. This recipe is creamy, flavorful, and so easy to put together. Start by adding 1 shredded rotisserie chicken to your Crockpot. Next, pour in about 4 cups of chicken stock, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, a cup of frozen corn if you want a pop of color, a pack of ranch seasoning, and a 1/4 cup of buffalo wing sauce. Give everything a good stir so all the flavors mix together, then cover and cook on low for 3 to 4 hours or on high for about 2 hours. About 20 minutes before your cooking time is up, it's time to prep the dumplings. Take a can of homestyle biscuits, cut each biscuit into 8 pieces, and roll each piece into a small ball. Gently stir the chicken base one more time, then drop the biscuit balls on top, pressing lightly so they sit just right in the liquid. Cover the crock pot again and cook on high for about 1.5 hours or until the dumplings are fully cooked and fluffy. When it's done, scoop out a big bowl of that creamy, hearty Buffalo Ranch chicken and dumplings. Drizzle with a little ranch and sprinkle some chopped green onions for a fresh garnish. And that's it, a comforting, flavorful dinner with a little kick from the buffalo sauce. Perfect for game day, weeknights, or anytime you're craving something cozy. Enjoy, y'all.